Nextlearn presents MCQs with answers and explanations from the memory organization. 1. Which type of memory is directly accessible by the CPU? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Cache memory. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Explanation: all of these memory types, RAM, ROM, and cache, are accessible by the CPU, but each has a different function and speed. 2. The primary purpose of cache memory is to A. Store data permanently. B. Provide fast access to frequently used data. C. Backup data. D. Store the operating system. Answer: B. Provide fast access to frequently used data. Explanation: cache memory stores frequently accessed data, allowing faster access and reducing CPU waiting time. 3. Which of the following is the fastest form of memory? A. Hard disk. B. ROM. C. RAM. D. Cache memory. Answer: D. Cache memory. Explanation: cache memory is the fastest form of memory, being located close to the CPU and used to store frequently accessed data. 4. The main difference between RAM and ROM is that A. RAM is volatile, while ROM is non-volatile. B. RAM stores data permanently, while ROM is temporary. C. ROM is faster than RAM. D. RAM is only used in processes. Answer: A. RAM is volatile, while ROM is non-volatile. Explanation: RAM loses its data when power is turned off, while ROM retains its data, even without power. 5. Which type of memory is used for permanent storage of the system's firmware? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Cache. D. Hard disk. Answer: B. ROM. Explanation: ROM is used to store firmware, which is permanent software programmed into the hardware. 6. Which memory is faster than RAM but slower than cache memory? A. Primary memory. B. Secondary memory. C. Tertiary memory. D. Registers. Answer: A. Primary memory. Explanation: primary memory, which includes RAM, is faster than secondary memory but slower than cache memory. 7. Which of the following memory types is read-only? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Cache. D. Hard disk. Answer: B. ROM. Explanation: ROM is read-only memory, meaning data cannot be modified or written by the CPU during operation. 8. The process of transferring data between cache and main memory is called A. Pipelining. B. Cache management. C. Cache hit. D. Cache miss. Answer: B. Cache management. Explanation: cache management refers to the process of managing the flow of data between cache and main memory. 9. Which of the following types of memory is used to store data temporarily for ongoing processes? A. ROM. B. RAM. C. Hard disk. D. Flash memory. Answer: B. RAM. Explanation: RAM is used to temporarily store data and instructions that are actively being processed by the CPU. 10. What does the term volatility in memory refer to? A. The speed of memory. B. Whether data is lost when power is turned off. C. The size of the memory. D. The price of memory. Answer: B. Whether data is lost when power is turned off. Explanation: volatility refers to whether the data in memory is lost when the power supply is cut off. Volatile memory, like RAM, loses data when power is off. 11. The type of memory that can be both read and written is called A. ROM. B. RAM. C. Cache. D. EEPROM. Answer: B. RAM. Explanation: RAM is read-write memory, meaning both data can be read from it and written to it. 12. Which of the following is an example of non-volatile memory? A. RAM. B. Cache memory. C. ROM. D. Registers. Answer: C. ROM. Explanation: ROM is a non-volatile memory that retains its contents even when the power is turned off. 13. Which of the following is used to temporarily store data during CPU processing? A. Hard disk. B. Registers. C. ROM. D. Magnetic tape. Answer: B. Registers. Explanation: registers are small, high-speed storage units within the CPU that temporarily store data during processing. 14. Which of the following memory types is used in solid-state drives, SSDs? A. Flash memory. B. ROM. C. RAM. D. Optical disks. Answer. A. Flash memory. Explanation. SSDs use flash memory, a type of non-volatile memory, for fast data access and storage. 15. The time required to access data from the cache memory is called A. Access time. B. Latency. C. Response time. D. Throughput. Answer. A. Access time. Explanation. Access time refers to the amount of time it takes to retrieve data from cache memory. 16. Which type of memory stores data that cannot be modified, typically used for BIOS? A. Flash memory. B. ROM. C. Cache. D. RAM. Answer. B. ROM. Explanation. ROM, read-only memory, stores data that is typically not modified, like BIOS, Basic Input-Output System. 17. What is the primary function of the Memory Management Unit, MMU? A. Manage data storage. B. Perform arithmetic operations. C. Handle memory addressing and access control. D. Process input-output devices. Answer. C. Handle memory addressing and access control. Explanation. The Memory Management Unit, MMU, handles the allocation and access control for memory addresses. 18. The transfer of data between the CPU and memory is typically controlled by the following. A. Control unit. B. ALU. C. Memory Management Unit. D. Registers. Answer. A control unit. Explanation. The control unit, CU, manages the transfer of data between the CPU and memory. 19. Which of the following is a characteristic of DRAM, dynamic RAM? A. Faster than SRAM. B. Volatile memory. C. Requires regular refreshing. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Explanation. DRAM is slower than SRAM, volatile, and requires periodic refreshing to maintain its data. 20. Which of the following is typically the largest memory unit in a computer system? A. Cache memory. B. RAM. C. Hard disk. D. ROM. Answer. C. Hard disk. Explanation. The hard disk is the largest storage unit in terms of capacity in most computer systems. 21. Which of the following is a feature of SRAM, static RAM? A. Slower than DRAM. B. Volatile memory. C. Does not require refreshing. D. Requires frequent refreshing. Answer. C. Does not require refreshing. Explanation. SRAM is faster than DRAM and does not require refreshing, unlike DRAM, which needs periodic refreshing. 22. What is the purpose of virtual memory in a computer system? A. Increases physical memory capacity. B. Provides faster access to data. C. Acts as temporary storage for programs and data when RAM is full. D. Permanently stores data. Answer. C. Acts as temporary storage for programs and data when RAM is full. Explanation. Virtual memory allows the system to use hard disk space to simulate additional RAM, allowing for more programs to run concurrently. 23. Which of the following memory types is commonly used to store firmware in embedded systems? A. ROM. B. DRAM. C. SRAM. D. Flash memory. Answer. A. ROM. Explanation. ROM is often used to store firmware in embedded systems, as it is non-volatile and retains its data without power. 24. The primary disadvantage of DRAM compared to SRAM is that A. DRAM is more expensive. B. DRAM is slower. C. DRAM requires refreshing. D. DRAM is non-volatile. Answer. C. DRAM requires refreshing. Explanation. DRAM requires periodic refreshing to maintain the data, which makes it slower compared to SRAM, which is faster and does not require refreshing. 25. In which of the following systems is cache memory used to store recently accessed data? A. Computer processor. B. Hard disk. C. RAM. D. ROM. Answer. A computer processor. Explanation. Cache memory is used by the CPU to store frequently accessed data for faster retrieval, improving processing speed. 26. Which memory type is typically used to store the operating system and programs? A. ROM. B. Cache memory. C. RAM. D. Hard disk. Answer: C. RAM. Explanation: RAM is used to store running programs and the operating system for quick access during processing. 27. What is the primary purpose of EEPROM? A. Store data temporarily. B. Store data permanently, but it can be rewritten electrically. C. Store running applications. D. Provide quick access to data. Answer: B. Store data permanently, but can be rewritten electrically. Explanation: EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, stores data permanently but can be electrically erased and rewritten. 28. Which of the following memory types is used to store the BIOS in a computer system? A. Flash memory. B. ROM. C. RAM. D. Cache. Answer: B. ROM. Explanation: BIOS, Basic Input-Output System, is stored in ROM, as it needs to retain its data even when the computer is turned off. 29. Which of the following is true about virtual memory? A. It is faster than physical memory. B. It is a technique to extend RAM using secondary storage. C. It uses cache memory to store data. D. It stores data permanently. Answer: B. It is a technique to extend RAM using secondary storage. Explanation: virtual memory allows the computer to use secondary storage, such as a hard disk, as an extension of RAM to handle more data than physically available in RAM. 30. Which of the following storage devices is used to store data for long-term retention? A. RAM. B. Cache. C. Hard disk. D. Registers. Answer: C. Hard disk. Explanation: hard disks are used for long-term storage of data as they provide large storage capacity compared to volatile memory types like RAM and cache. 31. Which of the following is a type of non-volatile memory used in memory cards and USB drives? A. ROM. B. DRAM. C. Flash memory. D. SRAM. Answer: C. Flash memory. Explanation: flash memory is non-volatile memory used in devices like memory cards and USB drives, providing fast and reliable storage. 32. What is the primary function of memory management in a computer system? A. Control data input and output. B. Manage data storage and retrieval. C. Manage the CPU clock speed. D. Provide data backup. Answer: B. Manage data storage and retrieval. Explanation: memory management allocates and deallocates memory, ensuring efficient storage and retrieval of data for programs. 33. Which of the following memory types is commonly used to store the operating system in a computer? A. ROM. B. RAM. C. Cache. D. Flash memory. Answer: B. RAM. Explanation: the operating system is stored in RAM to allow quick access by the CPU during operation. 34. Which of the following memory types is the slowest? A. Cache memory. B. RAM. C. ROM. D. Hard disk. Answer: D. Hard disk. Explanation: hard disks are slower than cache, RAM, and ROM due to their mechanical nature and slower data transfer speeds. 35. What is the role of the Memory Management Unit (MMU) in a computer? A. Control data flow between the CPU and memory. B. Perform data processing. C. Store data temporarily. D. Manage the transfer of data between the hard disk and RAM. Answer: A. Control data flow between the CPU and memory. Explanation: the MMU handles memory addressing and manages data flow between the CPU and memory to ensure efficient data processing. 36. What type of memory is used to store frequently used instructions for faster processing? A. ROM. B. DRAM. C. Cache memory. D. Hard disk. Answer: C. Cache memory. Explanation: cache memory stores frequently accessed instructions and data for quick access, improving CPU performance. 37. Which type of memory is typically used in personal computers for temporary data storage? A. ROM. B. Cache memory. C. DRAM. D. Flash memory. Answer: C. DRAM. Explanation: DRAM, dynamic RAM, is used in personal computers for temporary storage of data that is actively being used. 38. What is the main purpose of the L1 cache in a CPU? A. Store data temporarily during processing. B. Store the operating system. C. Store recently used instructions for faster access. D. Perform mathematical operations. Answer. C. Store recently used instructions for faster access. Explanation. The L1 cache is the smallest and fastest cache, storing recently used instructions to speed up processing. 39. In a computer system, which type of memory is used to store data that does not change frequently and is permanent? A. ROM. B. RAM. C. Flash memory. D. Cache. Answer. A. ROM. Explanation. ROM is used to store data like firmware that does not change frequently and remains permanent. 40. Which of the following types of memory needs to be refreshed regularly to maintain its data? A. SRAM. B. DRAM. C. ROM. D. Flash memory. Answer. B. DRAM. Explanation. DRAM, dynamic RAM, needs to be refreshed periodically to maintain its data, unlike SRAM, which is static. 41. Which of the following is a characteristic of non-volatile memory? A. Loses data when power is off. B. Data is retained even when power is off. C. Requires frequent refreshing. D. Faster than volatile memory. Answer. B. Data is retained even when power is off. Explanation. Non-volatile memory retains its data even after the power supply is cut off, unlike volatile memory. 42. Which of the following memory types is used to store data on a long-term basis and can be electrically erased and rewritten? A. ROM. B. Flash memory. C. SRAM. D. DRAM. Answer. B. Flash memory. Explanation. Flash memory is non-volatile and can be electrically erased and rewritten, making it ideal for long-term data storage. 43. In which of the following types of memory is the access time the fastest? A. Cache memory. B. RAM. C. ROM. D. Hard disk. Answer. A. Cache memory. Explanation. Cache memory is the fastest type of memory as it is located closest to the CPU for quick access. 44. What is the role of the memory controller? A. Perform arithmetic operations. B. Control the flow of data between the CPU and memory. C. Control the hard disk. D. Store data permanently. Answer. B. Control the flow of data between the CPU and memory. Explanation. The memory controller manages the data transfer between the CPU and the memory, ensuring proper communication. 45. Which of the following is the primary storage in a computer system for holding operating systems, applications, and user data? A. ROM. B. RAM. C. Hard disk. D. Cache memory. Answer. C. Hard disk. Explanation. The hard disk serves as primary storage for the operating system, applications, and user data due to its large capacity. 46. Which type of memory is used to store data in smartphones and other portable devices? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Flash memory. D. Cache memory. Answer. C. Flash memory. Explanation. Flash memory is commonly used in portable devices such as smartphones for its non-volatile and fast data storage capabilities. 47. What is the primary difference between SRAM and DRAM? A. SRAM is faster than DRAM and does not need to be refreshed. B. DRAM is faster than SRAM and requires no refreshing. C. SRAM requires frequent refreshing, while DRAM does not. D. DRAM stores data permanently, while SRAM does not. Answer. A. SRAM is faster than DRAM and does not need to be refreshed. Explanation. SRAM, static RAM, is faster and does not require refreshing, while DRAM, dynamic RAM, is slower and requires periodic refreshing. 48. Which of the following types of memory can be read and written by the computer? A. ROM. B. Flash memory. C. Cache. D. Hard disk. Answer. B. Flash memory. Explanation. Flash memory is read-write, allowing data to be written and erased electronically. 49. What is the main characteristic of virtual memory in a computer system? A. It is a type of RAM. B. It uses secondary storage to simulate additional RAM. C. It stores the operating system. D. It is a type of non-volatile memory. Answer. B. It uses secondary storage to simulate additional RAM. Explanation. Virtual memory extends the capacity of physical memory, RAM, by using secondary storage like the hard disk. 50. What is the common advantage of using cache memory in a CPU? A. It reduces the cost of memory. B. It increases the speed of data retrieval for the CPU. C. It stores data permanently. D. It stores data for backup purposes. Answer. B. It increases the speed of data retrieval for the CPU. Explanation. Cache memory provides faster data retrieval for the CPU by storing frequently used instructions and data close to the processor. 51. Which of the following is true about the capacity of cache memory? A. It is large compared to RAM. B. It is small and faster than RAM. C. It is used for long-term storage. D. It can store an entire operating system. Answer. B. It is small and faster than RAM. Explanation. Cache memory is small in size but much faster than RAM, allowing quick access to frequently used data. 52. The type of memory that is used to store the system's boot-up instructions is A. RAM. B. Cache memory. C. ROM. D. Hard disk. Answer. C. ROM. Explanation. ROM stores the BIOS, basic input-output system, which contains the boot-up instructions for a computer. 53. Which type of memory is best suited for holding data that needs to be accessed frequently and rapidly? A. Cache memory. B. Hard disk. C. ROM. D. Flash memory. Answer. A cache memory. Explanation. Cache memory is specifically designed to hold data that needs to be accessed frequently and rapidly by the CPU. 54. Which of the following is a characteristic of flash memory? A. Volatile. B. Can be electrically erased and reprogrammed. C. Slower than RAM. D. Requires frequent refreshing. Answer. B. Can be electrically erased and reprogrammed. Explanation. Flash memory is a non-volatile memory type that can be electronically erased and rewritten. 55. Which of the following is typically stored in the BIOS ROM of a computer? A. The operating system. B. Firmware for hardware initialization. C. Temporary files for processing. D. User data. Answer. B. Firmware for hardware initialization. Explanation. The BIOS ROM stores firmware that is used to initialize and test hardware components during the boot-up process. 56. The fastest memory in a computer system is A. RAM. B. Hard disk. C. Cache memory. D. ROM. Answer. C. Cache memory. Explanation. Cache memory is the fastest type of memory, located closest to the CPU, enabling rapid access to frequently used data. 57. Which memory type requires continuous power to retain its data? A. Flash memory. B. RAM. C. ROM. D. Hard disk. Answer. B. RAM. Explanation. RAM, random access memory, is volatile, meaning it requires power to retain its data. It loses all data when power is turned off. 58. The data transfer speed between cache memory and the CPU is typically A. Faster than between RAM and the CPU. B. Slower than between RAM and the CPU. C. Same as between RAM and the CPU. D. Equal to that of the hard disk. Answer. A. Faster than between RAM and the CPU. Explanation. Cache memory provides much faster data transfer speeds compared to RAM, as it is located closer to the CPU. 59. A characteristic of secondary storage is that it is A. Volatile. B. Faster than RAM. C. Non-volatile. D. Faster than cache memory. Answer. C. Non-volatile. Explanation. Secondary storage, such as hard disks and SSDs, is non-volatile, meaning it retains data even when the power is off. 60. Which of the following is not a type of memory in a computer system? A. DRAM. B. SRAM. C. ROM. D. USB. Answer. D. USB. Explanation. USB is an external storage device and is not a type of memory in the traditional sense. DRAM, SRAM, and ROM are types of memory. 61. The primary difference between SRAM and DRAM is that A. SRAM requires frequent refreshing, while DRAM does not. B. DRAM is faster than SRAM. C. SRAM is faster and does not require refreshing, while DRAM does. D. DRAM is used in cache memory. Answer. C. SRAM is faster and does not require refreshing, while DRAM does. Explanation. SRAM is faster and more reliable than DRAM, as it does not require refreshing. DRAM is slower and needs to be refreshed periodically. 62. The purpose of the Memory Address Register, MAR, is to A. Hold the data that will be sent to memory. B. Store addresses of data to be read or written. C. Store the next instruction to be executed. D. Hold the result of data computation. Answer. B. Store addresses of data to be read or written. Explanation. The MAR holds the address of the memory location that is being read or written by the CPU. 63. Which of the following describes the use of registers in a CPU? A. Used to store data temporarily during processing. B. Stores data permanently. C. Used to transfer data between the CPU and the disk. D. Stores the BIOS and firmware. Answer. A. Used to store data temporarily during processing. Explanation. Registers are small, high-speed storage locations within the CPU used to store temporary data during processing. 64. The memory type used to store frequently accessed data for quick retrieval is called A. Hard disk. B. Cache memory. C. ROM. D. DRAM. Answer. B. Cache memory. Explanation. Cache memory stores frequently accessed data close to the CPU to speed up processing. 65. In a computer system, the fastest access time is associated with A. ROM. B. RAM. C. Cache memory. D. Hard disk. Answer. C. Cache memory. Explanation. Cache memory is the fastest in terms of access time, providing rapid access to frequently used data for the CPU. 66. Which of the following memory types is used to store system-level instructions and data? A. Cache memory. B. ROM. C. RAM. D. Hard disk. Answer. B. ROM. Explanation. ROM is used to store the system's firmware, such as the BIOS, which contains system-level instructions. 67. A system that uses both cache memory and virtual memory together is referred to as A. Dual-level memory. B. Virtual cache. C. Memory hierarchy. D. Static memory. Answer. C. Memory hierarchy. Explanation. Memory hierarchy refers to the arrangement of different memory types in a tiered fashion, where cache memory is the fastest and virtual memory provides additional capacity. 68. Which of the following is true about secondary storage? A. It is volatile and fast. B. It is non-volatile and slow. C. It is non-volatile and fast. D. It is volatile and slow. Answer. B. It is non-volatile and slow. Explanation. Secondary storage, such as hard drives and SSDs, is non-volatile and slower than primary memory like RAM. 69. Which of the following is an example of a volatile memory? A. ROM. B. Flash memory. C. DRAM. D. Hard disk. Answer. C. DRAM. Explanation. DRAM, dynamic RAM, is volatile and loses its data when the power is turned off, unlike non-volatile memory like ROM and flash. 70. The CPU interacts directly with which of the following to store and retrieve data? A. Hard disk. B. ROM. C. Cache memory. D. Keyboard. Answer. C. Cache memory. Explanation. Cache memory is used by the CPU for quick access to frequently used data. 71. Which of the following types of memory is typically used for long-term storage in computers? A. RAM. B. Cache memory. C. Hard disk. D. ROM. Answer. C. Hard disk. Explanation. Hard disks provide long-term storage for data and applications, as they have a large storage capacity compared to other memory types. 72. Which memory type is used to store data during the execution of a program? A. Cache memory. B. ROM. C. DRAM. D. Flash memory. Answer: C. DRAM. Explanation: DRAM is used to store data temporarily while a program is running, making it an essential component of system memory. 73. Which type of memory can be electrically erased and rewritten? A. ROM. B. Flash memory. C. SRAM. D. DRAM. Answer: B. Flash memory. Explanation: Flash memory is a non-volatile memory that can be electrically erased and reprogrammed, commonly used in USB drives and SSDs. 74. What is the purpose of the control bus in memory organization? A. Carry data between the CPU and memory. B. Carry address signals between the CPU and memory. C. Carry control signals to coordinate memory operations. D. Carry data from RAM to hard disk. Answer: C. Carry control signals to coordinate memory operations. Explanation: The control bus is responsible for sending control signals that manage the operations of memory and other system components. 75. What is the main advantage of using cache memory in a computer system? A. It is inexpensive. B. It increases the system's RAM. C. It improves the system's performance by reducing data access time. D. It stores data permanently. Answer: C. It improves the system's performance by reducing data access time. Explanation: Cache memory helps improve the speed of data retrieval by storing frequently used instructions and data close to the CPU. 76. Which of the following is a major disadvantage of SRAM compared to DRAM? A. Slower than DRAM. B. More expensive and uses more power. C. Requires periodic refreshing. D. Smaller storage capacity. Answer: B. More expensive and uses more power. Explanation: SRAM is faster but more expensive and uses more power than DRAM, making it less suitable for large memory configurations. 77. Which of the following is not a characteristic of virtual memory? A. Uses hard disk space to simulate additional RAM. B. Slows down the system due to data transfer between RAM and hard disk. C. Is a technique used to extend the capacity of RAM. D. It uses a special processor to manage memory tasks. Answer: D. It uses a special processor to manage memory tasks. Explanation: Virtual memory doesn't require a special processor. It simply uses a portion of the hard disk as an extension of RAM. 78. Which of the following is an example of non-volatile memory? A. RAM. B. Flash memory. C. SRAM. D. Cache memory. Answer: B. Flash memory. Explanation: Flash memory is non-volatile, meaning it retains data even when the power is turned off. 79. The primary function of the memory buffer register, MBR, is to A. Store data temporarily during program execution. B. Store the address of the data to be accessed. C. Hold the data being transferred to or from memory. D. Control the memory access operations. Answer: C. Hold the data being transferred to or from memory. Explanation: The MBR holds data temporarily while it is being transferred between memory and the CPU. 80. The data in ROM is A. Permanent and cannot be modified. B. Temporary and can be modified. C. Stored in binary format. D. Only accessible by the operating system. Answer: A. Permanent and cannot be modified. Explanation: ROM is used for storing firmware, and the data is permanent and cannot be modified easily. 81. The system memory responsible for providing the CPU with quick access to frequently used data is A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Cache memory. D. Hard disk. Answer: C. Cache memory. Explanation: Cache memory stores frequently accessed data and instructions, providing faster access for the CPU compared to RAM. 82. Which of the following is an example of a memory device that is used in digital cameras and smartphones? A. Hard disk. B. Flash memory. C. SRAM. D. ROM. Answer: B. Flash memory. Explanation: Flash memory is commonly used in digital cameras, smartphones, and USB drives for storing data due to its non-volatile nature and fast read-write capabilities. 83. What type of memory is used to store temporary data in computers during program execution? A. Cache memory. B. ROM. C. RAM. D. Hard disk. Answer. C. RAM. Explanation. RAM is used as temporary storage to hold data and instructions that are actively being processed by the CPU. 84. Which of the following is a feature of dynamic RAM, DRAM? A. It is faster than SRAM. B. It requires periodic refreshing to maintain data. C. It is non-volatile. D. It stores data permanently. Answer. B. It requires periodic refreshing to maintain data. Explanation. DRAM needs to be refreshed periodically to retain data, unlike SRAM, which does not require refreshing. 85. Which of the following types of memory is used to store firmware or system software? A. Flash memory. B. ROM. C. RAM. D. Cache memory. Answer. B. ROM. Explanation. ROM is used to store firmware, which is permanent software that initializes the hardware during the boot-up process. 86. Which of the following is true about virtual memory? A. It increases the capacity of physical RAM. B. It stores data permanently. C. It only stores the operating system. D. It is faster than physical memory. Answer. A. It increases the capacity of physical RAM. Explanation. Virtual memory uses hard disk space to simulate additional RAM, allowing the system to run larger programs or more programs simultaneously. 87. What is the maximum capacity of a typical DDR4 RAM module? A. 1 GB. B. 4 GB. C. 16 GB. D. 64 GB. Answer. C. 16 GB. Explanation. DDR4 RAM modules typically have capacities up to 16 GB for consumer-grade modules, although server versions can be higher. 88. The process of reading from or writing to memory is controlled by the A. Control unit. B. ALU. C. Memory management unit. D. Input-output unit. Answer. C. Memory management unit. Explanation. The Memory Management Unit (MMU) is responsible for managing data storage and access to memory, including translation of virtual memory addresses to physical addresses. 89. Which of the following memory types stores data in the form of bits? A. Flash memory. B. SRAM. C. ROM. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Explanation. All memory types, including flash memory, SRAM, and ROM, store data in bits, binary digits, as the basic unit of data. 90. Which of the following is true about the registers in a computer? A. They are used to store data temporarily during computation. B. They store data permanently. C. They are much slower than RAM. D. They are used for external storage. Answer. A. They are used to store data temporarily during computation. Explanation. Registers are high-speed storage areas located within the CPU used to hold data temporarily during computation. 91. Which type of memory is used to temporarily store data that is being processed by the CPU? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Cache memory. D. Hard disk. Answer. A. RAM. Explanation. RAM temporarily holds data that is actively being used or processed by the CPU. 92. The process of accessing memory that is slower than CPU registers but faster than RAM is referred to as A. Direct memory access. B. Virtual memory. C. Memory paging. D. Cache access. Answer. D. Cache access. Explanation. Cache memory provides a faster access route for data than RAM by storing frequently used data close to the CPU. 93. Which of the following memory types is used to store the operating system in most computers? A. ROM. B. RAM. C. Hard disk. D. Flash memory. Answer. C. Hard disk. Explanation. The operating system is typically stored on the hard disk for long-term storage and is loaded into RAM during operation. 94. Which of the following is a characteristic of static RAM, SRAM? A. Requires frequent refreshing. B. Volatile memory. C. Faster and more expensive than DRAM. D. Used for long-term data storage. Answer. C. Faster and more expensive than DRAM. Explanation. SRAM is faster than DRAM, does not require refreshing, but is more expensive, making it suitable for cache memory. 95. The process of transferring data from RAM to the hard disk when memory is full is known as A. Paging. B. Swapping. C. Caching. D. Buffering. Answer. B. Swapping. Explanation. Swapping is the process of transferring data between RAM and the hard disk when memory resources are insufficient. 96. Which of the following is not a type of memory used in modern computer systems? A. ROM. B. DRAM. C. Flash memory. D. EDO-RAM. Answer. D. EDO-RAM. Explanation. EDO-RAM, Extended Data Out RAM, is an older memory type and is no longer commonly used in modern systems. 97. In computer memory, what does volatile mean? A. Data is retained permanently. B. Data is lost when power is turned off. C. Memory is slower than non-volatile memory. D. Data is stored on a hard disk. Answer. B. Data is lost when power is turned off. Explanation. Volatile memory, like RAM, loses its data when the computer is powered off. 98. Which of the following is an example of secondary memory? A. RAM. B. Cache. C. Hard disk. D. ROM. Answer. C. Hard disk. Explanation. Hard disks are secondary storage devices used for long-term data storage. 99. Which of the following memory types can be rewritten many times but is slower than RAM? A. DRAM. B. ROM. C. Flash memory. D. SRAM. Answer. C. Flash memory. Explanation. Flash memory is slower than RAM but can be electrically erased and reprogrammed, making it versatile for storage applications. 100. Which of the following is not a function of memory management in a computer system? A. Allocating space for processors. B. Preventing data loss during shutdown. C. Protecting system memory from unauthorized access. D. Increasing the speed of the CPU. Answer. D. Increasing the speed of the CPU. Explanation. Memory management is concerned with allocating, protecting, and managing memory, but it does not directly affect the speed of the CPU. This concludes the 100 MCQs from the Memory Organization. Thank you. Purushottam Raut. Next to learn.